Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Feathers up, by the way. We're not just talking it, we actually living it. It's a great granddad's day. How y'all doing? Y'all guys want to book a one-on-one consultation? You can do that sending an email at info@healingthroughinspiration or sending us a DM at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following us there, I don't know why not. Go ahead, make sure you go do that. You know what I'm saying? Frick. Nigga, this is, I'm just looking at these motherfuckers walking into IHOP with a mask on. They go get IHOP food. You know, that is actually foul as hell, bro. You know, that is really foul. What the frick? You gonna get, supposedly trying to avoid getting sick while you eating sickly food. That's gonna make you sick. What type of contradiction is that, nigga? Huh? What type of contradiction is that? You see what I'm saying? There you go right there. Y'all niggas see that IHOP dumbass place. Get the frick out of here, nigga. I'm so sick of this motherfrickers, man. I'm actually kind of irritated, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you, dog. It's a lot of stuff, bro. Because I'm just seeing these motherfrickers, like, motherfrickers in the city. They just allowing stuff like this. I'm looking at liquor stores, beer, wine, lotto, EBT, ATM. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying, like, motherfrickers out here really supporting these motherfrickers, man. You know, beer, and I know it's some East Indians. They shiesty, they shiesty as hell. And I know one time there was a fan, it's a business. I think a truck driver. He told me that they called, calling somebody. One of the cashiers ended up calling somebody. Ended up saying something like, "Oh, he called one of the drivers a bitch." No, not a driver. He called a sister a bitch. Calling her a bitch. And, and the truck driver, he ended up telling me that he said, "Hey, man, you should give her something free for that, because you apologize or whatnot," but he wasn't trying to do that. So what happened was they got robbed that week with the gun all in their face, and they got robbed again. So they got robbed 2 times in 1 week. And I guess one of the owners was like, "What the heck is going on?" And he told them whatever. And apparently they fired that worker. They said he was a family friend. And I'm just like, and I told that story to a sister about this store right here. Y'all, let me see, cause it's nighttime, but this store right there. And I told him that don't give no frick. And I said, I don't go giving no freaking money. I don't give her no freaking money in mine. Only thing, if I did, I think I came in it. I think they said they had change for $10 in quarters or something like that. But other than that, that's not me not giving him any additional profit. You know what I'm saying? I don't go there. I don't support their. I'm not a patron of them. You know what I'm saying? And I said that to a sister one time. I told her the story. She said, "What, really? You know what the frick she did?" And she still went to go over there because one time she came. I went across the store and guess what they did? I didn't even hear what because one, I was in a rush. I was handling business, making a move one night, and then I was like, he was like, "Guess what they did?" So I'm like, "Why the frick did you still support them? Like, bitch, they didn't do. I didn't ever support them, and I know them. It's kind of like all this stuff is like it's pissing me off because what the B-Lax do, like on some real stuff, like." And a lot of liquor stores like that is owned by motherfucking pale Arabs, motherfucking pale Muslims. And guess what? The Muslims, they not even supposed to drink. They don't drink the alcohol, but yet they'll sell it to your dumb ass. And you going over here. Like, what the frick? I've watched these stuff. People buy their own destruction. And people walking in. What the frick? You might as well not eat, nigga, if you got on a mask and you walking in the IHOP, nigga. Dumbass, nigga. Ain't nothing in that bitch for you, nigga. Ain't nothing processed food. All in that bitch, nigga. Get the frick out of here. Garbage ass stuff. Like, y'all people make y'all own destruction. And it's just sickening, coward people. And it was I saw a post on Instagram where it was a screenshot of a tweet where it was a pale bitch in that profile. But she said it's actually unattractive for men who wears masks, because I find that so weird. Why do you comply and go along with that and whatnot? And I actually agree with her. And then But then there's a dude underneath, the dude who apparently posted a picture. He said, "Oh, why are you find that unattractive to go along with it, and then make it, and then go like this, and really there's some other things that have to be dealt with." And I'm just like, you talking about this or wearing a mask? Like, what the frick, nigga? And I'm just like, it didn't even make any freaking sense. Cause I'm like, I told these niggas I ain't wearing no freaking mask, man. Get the frick out of my face, nigga. I'm just so sick of these motherfuckers, man. These motherfuckers is by their own destruction, dog. By their own destruction. This is dumb ass stuff. I don't want to be nowhere near these motherfuckers, man. I really don't, man. Frick. Kid you not, cuz. Kid you not, man. These motherfuckers is just sickening. Like, this stuff lasts because they make it last. These stuff lasts because you make it last. I guarantee you stop supporting these motherfuckers, they will shut down. They will shut the frick down. I don't give a frick about these motherfuckers at all. You know what I'm saying? Like, and these motherfuckers complain, but they making this stuff last. Why aren't y'all doing any type of change and whatnot? Did y'all know with the seeds I got? I got more than enough seeds. Let me see. I got a lot of seeds still left, and I only planted a little garden. Guess how much I spent on that, dog? Y'all video when y'all saw when I was holding up the packets of seeds, make sure y'all go show that when this is the only video we show you how to grow alkaline electric to save you food. Yeah. And nobody else on YouTube is talking about that. And that's free. And that's free information, you dig what I'm saying? Nobody else on YouTube is talking about that. That little stuff. Guess how much? I had a lot of seeds. I was even showing you on the camera how much seeds I got. Guess how much I spent on that, dog? Guess how much? Put in the chat right now. Guess how much I spent on that? Go ahead, I'll wait. Put in the chat. I'll wait. All right, man, I spent $20.23, and I have more than that. I had so much seeds, and I still got a lot to plant. I'm like, shoot, I need some land so I can. Where to go to rabbit? Wow, it's like clockwork. These rabbits be out here. But look at that, $20.23. Look at that, just by the seeds, dog. And really, you get the seeds here. You could just see them yourself. But there was a seeds I had. I just wanted to get. You dig what I'm saying? And I've been still saving. I'm still seeding because I still buy seed. I still seed from seeds I got. I saved the seeds in the papaya. I saved the seeds from the butternut squash, the acorn squash. You see what I'm saying? Like, it's just unaccountable people, like coward people, like, you know, because a lot of these motherfuckers out here, they see me in my feathers. They see and I wear my face paint. They be like, oh yeah, you know, we's a black Indian. And I'm like, huh? Because first of all, I ain't black. Ain't nothing about me black, nigga. I don't be like about anything positive, nigga. So you talking to the wrong nigga. I promise you that. And I'm a so-called Indian, if anything. So, yeah. So I'm like, but where the frick is your culture at? Where the frick is your culture at? I probably was gonna say this in a separate video, but hey, this is gonna correlate. Where the frick is your culture at, nigga? Where the frick is your culture at? You got no culture whatsoever, and you got no culture whatsoever, man. Like, what the frick, man? Motherfuckers talking about nothing. When it's talking about, wanna be like, let me show y'all. These people distracting me. They want to talk about, you know, we's a black, and you know, like, where's your culture at? Because you got all these motherfucking foreigners on your land, and guess what the frick they dressing? They wearing their cultural attire. Be careful, Ace's glass. These motherfuckers be littering this nasty mother. Please be careful. I'm trying to walk right so you don't step on her glass. It's shattered everywhere. Frick, yo. Um, but it's like this though. So it's like these motherfuckers. Where's your culture at, man? Where's your freaking culture? You got all these motherfuckers. You got the East Indian. They letting you know who they are. The Hindustani, they're the Sikh. They got the turban. They got the dagger at their hip. You know, and they letting you know who they are before they open their mouth. And then here goes as well. And here goes as well as the Muslim, because the Muslim, they got the hijab, they got the kufi. You know what I'm saying? Like they letting you know who they are before they open your mouth. And then, hey, how you doing? I see you jamming. Let's go, Ace. Come on. But um, so look, um, so yeah, you got this, the so-called Jews that wear the kippah on their hat, on their head, and it's like, come on, man, what the frick is that you? And they doing this on your land. They doing this on your land, cuz. They doing this on your land, bro. They doing this on your freaking land. You dig what I'm saying? They doing this on your freaking land. And you don't even comprehend this. And really, when they do this on your land, ain't that really some gang stuff, though? Ain't that really some gang stuff? People out here repping they colors, repping they on your land. But you motherfuckers want to go unnecessary, obliterate each other. This just the most cowardless and just redundant thing I've ever encountered, nigga. So freaking stupid, dog. Oh my gosh. Man, things have gotta change, man. Things have gotta change. I just feel it. Oh, what up, bro? Things are. Is that bitch who I think it is? I don't even want to see that bitch. Golly, freaking hybrid ass bitch. I don't even want to see this bitch. Fake ass. Just a fake ass hybrid bitch who try to fake smile with people and whatnot. Country! What up, nigga? How you doing, bro? Some Jolly Ranchers? Nah, what is that? Hell no. So I just say what's up to it, brother. But yeah, you guys. But if you guys want to figure out some things as far as the solutions or whatnot, you can book a one-on-one consultation by sending us a DM at healingthroughinspiration, and that's our Instagram and whatnot. You do. Uh, but I was gonna say, dang, it's mobile today. It's mobile as hell today, bro. Frick that. So,
What up, we?
what's up, G?
You got a phone? You got a phone I can buy?
Nah.
Thanks, man.
You see that right there, man? That motherfucker already had a phone. I've been seeing this motherfucker who had a phone. He had his phone and threw it on the ground. I seen it right in front of me. And I think he asked me the same day for a phone. Why the frick would I give you my phone? Like, why the frick would I give you my phone, man? And I see how you do something. Oh, you got a phone? You sitting trying to make fake convo. Really, he's a junkie. But anyways, I'm just call a spade a spade. But yeah, make sure you guys get the courses. We do got a business course for y'all. Y'all gonna sign up for that. And we also got originally pairs. So yeah, make sure y'all check it out. Check us out indeed. Peace, love, and light, y'all. Y'all have a great one, all right?